Okay, so now let's look at the last question. The model represents an inequality. So I'm looking at my key. The open is positive x, so my rectangles are x's. If you need to, just put x's here so you know how many x's you're going to write. Then the small squares are ones, so I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So I have 12. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 x's. Remember that a plus sign, because it's positive, will go in between those. And then I have a negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and negative 8. And I bring down the less than or equal to. All right, so now I'm going to rewrite it to solve. So I have 4x plus 12 is less than or equal to negative 8. Again, I'm going to put a box around the 4 and the x, my coefficient and my variable. Everything on the outside, I'm moving to the right. So I'm going to draw my line here. This is the left, and this is the right. Since it's a positive 12, I'm moving this to a negative 12. So negative 12 on both sides. Positive 12 minus 12 is a 0. And I have a negative 12 plus 8 more. Well, that's a negative 20. So it's less than or equal to negative 20. And actually, I'm going to bring this further down. And this is a 4x. Okay, so that's what it would be. Don't forget your negative. Some of you on the quiz did not put your negatives in the correct spot, so it really messed you up. Now, I know that this is multiplication, so I'm going to divide by 4 and divide this by 4. I'm going to bring down my x. It is positive, so I do not flip. It stays the same. And I have a negative. Remember, we talked about that a negative divided by a positive is equal to a negative. So it's a negative 20 divided by 4 is 5. So I have x is less than or equal to negative 5. So the answer is F. Okay, so there you go. Please make sure that you write out your equation and show your work there. Then you bring down your equation and show all your work. Some of you did not show any work and said you did it in your head and you got all the questions wrong. So please don't. Make sure that you are documenting and writing down all your evidence. Okay, that's it for the review. Please make sure that you go through it, you review it, you understand it, you ask questions if you don't, because you're going to see this week on Thursday. All right, thanks again.